Alright guys, this is my RedMax BCZ 2500S. It's a 2002 trimmer, and I got it from my old boss for my landscaping job, but I had to do my own work on it. He had it sitting in the closet for 5 years because they got rid of the maintenance part, so they had a bunch of old trimmers that they didn't use. So I'm going to show you a cold start on this and show you how it runs. First you flick the on switch, then put the choke. The good thing about the old ones is you don't have to wait for them to warm up. There you go. That's my RedMax BCZ 2500S. It's a nice trimmer.